taste test tonight. This is the Festival German Weiss beer. Heard a lot about these kits. Not tried this one myself. I don't think anyone's ever sent me one of these, but give it a crack and a pour and show you what's in the box. Bin bottles are just about 10 days now, so we'll give it a crack and a pour. I'll show you what you get in the kit and give it a taste test. So basically you get two 1.5 kilograms of liquid malt extract, pre-hopped. They've obviously got in the fermenter. Instructions. You also get the dextrose there. 350 grams of dextrose goes in the fermenter along with the malt extract. Priming sugar, which I never used, 150 grams. I always bottle prime anyway, so I could have really put that in the fermenter with the extract and the other dextrose, and a German Weiss yeast. So, little information on it, and we'll pour it and see what we get of it. So, starting off with 1.044, I thought it was a bit low for 3 kilograms of malt extract and the dextrose, but I think my fermenter's perhaps a couple of litres out, so could have short brewed it next time, or if you don't get it again. So 1.044, and it finished at 1.014. In the book it says 1.011, so a little bit higher than the kit suggests. So it's 4.8% on there. Mine gets 4.5%, round it off more or less. I dry hop this with 100 grams of Hume melon hops. Don't know why, I just had the impulse to do it. Said it goes well in a German Weiss beer, so let's give it a crack and a pour. 750ml bottle. Let's see how we get on with this. Woo! Cannon smoke there. And I'm using my genuine Norwegian wheat beer glass. Let's give it a pour. See how we look. Not sure what light is here tonight. So, well, on look, looks like a burnt orange. And hops are coming through. Not 100 grams worth on the dry hop. Quite hazy, which for a wheat beer is fine. A bit more, give it a bit of a stir up. And we'll pour it. So, fine looking beer. Looking at the box there, a picture of the box. Turn it around. Looks a little bit, I don't know, perhaps a light, is it? I don't know. A bit darker than that on the box. Could be lighter in here. Let's see what we taste. Cheers. Ooh, that's so refreshing. It's light, highly carbonated. On the 750ml bottle, I put 1.5 grams of table sugar. Normally, a 500ml bottle, I'll put a teaspoon of sugar in for a lager or wheat beer, or if it's a bitter, mild, perhaps half a teaspoon. But on the wheat beer, highly carbonated, and I say it is. I'm not sure you can get these kits anywhere else other than the UK. I suspect you maybe can. Maybe in Europe, I'm not so sure about America, Canada, New Zealand, but oh, tell you what, that kit was on offer. They're normally about £24, I think they are, and they was on offer at £20. So Red Dog Brewer mentioned, do you get the aroma of strawberry. I don't get the aroma of strawberry, but I do get an aftertaste of berries. Could be strawberries. So, is it a beer brew again? Definitely. More for the summer, and wheat beers absolutely made for bottle conditioning. So, I've got the rest of this. Sorry about the light, trying to get sorted. Daytime's best, isn't it? But put my feet up. Watch the rest of the World Cup, and don't forget lads, it's coming home. Cheers.